All right, so how do you know if something is linear when it's on a table? So you know something is linear on a table if it follows a continuous slope, repeated over and over again. So let's find the slope. So let's find the change in y. So the change in y is 2. The change in y is 2. The change in y is 2. So the change in y keeps on being 2 over and over again. So I know that the slope, the numerator for the slope should be 2 every single time. Let's check the denominator. So this goes up 1, and up 1. So the denominator is 2 over 1, 2 over 1, 2 over 1. The slope is always 2. So this is linear. This is going to create a straight line. Now on a graph, it's pretty easy to notice. If it's a straight line that doesn't go in any other directions other than one single straight line, this is linear. If it doesn't look like this, or it doesn't have to go in this direction, but it has to be a straight line. Okay, if it is a straight line, it is linear. If it is not, like this one, that is nonlinear. Linear, nonlinear. Now let's look at equations. In equations, you're allowed to do a lot of things and it can stay linear. You're allowed to multiply. You're allowed to add. You're allowed to subtract. You're allowed to divide, right? Half of x would be me dividing. What you're not allowed to do is have an exponent. This will cause it to be nonlinear. X is not allowed to be in the denominator. That will cause a nonlinear line. Anything odd like a square root or an absolute value, anything like that, and you're running into nonlinear categories, okay? Now, we're looking at this. Okay, so first let's count the intervals. Now the intervals are when the slope changes in some way, okay? It starts going in not in a different direction, but it stops being linear. Or not linear, but it just changes directions in some form. So this is increasing, that's 1. This is constant, that's 2. This is increasing, that's 3. This is decreasing, that's 4. This is constant, that's 5. And this is decreasing, and that's 6. So this has 6 intervals. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intervals. Increasing, which ones are increasing? Well, 1 is increasing. Okay, remember, we always read graphs from left to right, so that's increasing. 2 is constant, so no. 3 is increasing. This one's decreasing, constant, decreasing. Okay, so now let's find the decreasing ones. I did hear myself say it, so nope, nope, nope. There it is. 4 is going from here down, so 4 is decreasing, and 6 is decreasing. And now we just gotta look for some constants. Constants look like this. So that's going to be 2 and 5. And that's it. Good luck.